There are several ways to earn money from YouTube AdSense. AdSense is the most popular way to earn money from YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel, and once it reaches 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can apply for an AdSense account. When viewers watch ads on your videos, you earn money from AdSense. Sponsorships. If your YouTube channel is popular and has a large number of subscribers, you can get sponsorship offers from brands. You can create sponsored content for them and earn money in exchange. Affiliate marketing. You can promote a product on your YouTube videos through affiliate links and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Super Chat and channel memberships. If you do live streaming on your channel, viewers can donate money through Super Chat and become channel members to get access to exclusive content. These are some popular ways to earn money from YouTube. However, the most important thing is to create high-quality content that engages your audience and keeps them coming back for more.